Yeah. Yeah, I should have filmed there. It looked really Alright, a little bit of a challenge here. Stay in the middle. Alright, we're gonna have to earn this one. Oh, okay. Grosse pierre. Ooh. Hope you have a string damper. Branche dans la gueule. We'll be already. Here. Woo! Little bump. Caroline is taking me somewhere she can murder me. That's what another one. Branche. Yeah, attention. Another one. Woo! And another one. What the heck? Take a... Blah. Blah. It looks blah. Well, pop, 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 pop. Blah. Yeah, blah. Yeah, blah. Take a mini break. Alright, we are having a little bit of an adventure here. Is loose and rocky, and it's exactly what I hate. So yeah, the right side is much better. I went on the left side like an idiot. What do you mean crossover or what? Crossover, là, de là. You have to, my bike is there, so yeah, good job. Whoa. Wrong line, Greg, wrong line. It's okay. It's okay, go. Oh, like a pro.
1 hour later.